Tax preparation knowledge is the title of this video. We're going to discuss that difference between someone who prepares taxes for everyone versus someone who prepares taxes for a specific niche, industry, or group. The person who prepares taxes for everyone is generally people who just getting started. They're learning how to prepare taxes in general by taking hopefully some organized training course through a trusted vendor or individual. And then from there, as they grow experience, as they grow clientele, as they grow more insight, they get to the point where they want to make more money. The way you make more money in this industry is a lot of different ways. One, you get more clientele to the point where you're making 6, 7 figure income, or you can do it by specializing in a specific niche, industry, or audience. And so, after being in this industry for 24 years, I'm looking to specialize in a specific niche, industry, or audience. I'm not sure what that's going to be yet, so I'm thinking that over during this first quarter. So by the time second quarter get here, I can come out with a new approach to the people I'm looking to serve. So if you want to make more money in this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation, uh, as we all do, we start out as general practitioners who prepare taxes for everyone across the board. And in that situation, we're basically fighting for uh, clientele based on who has the cheapest price. But what people don't understand is cheaper don't make better. And I've learned that over and over again by buying different products and services and tools and resources that even though they might be cheaper, they weren't necessarily better. And so you got to understand for yourself that you want to go to someone who has the knowledge and skills needed to help you get the job done, who has your best interest at heart, who wants to see you succeed and win when it comes to you coming in and getting your taxes done year after year after year. And don't get focused on how much they charge because that's going to sidetrack you where you're going to end up in the wrong hands of someone who don't have the knowledge and skills needed to do right by you because your focus is on how much they charge. So versus going to somebody who charging $4.95, you went to somebody who charged $2.95, and so now you lost more than you gained on the back end by going to somebody on the front end who had a cheaper price rate. You don't want to do yourself like that. Tax preparation is the biggest event you're gonna ever do in life, other than getting married, and so you don't want to have to take that lightly or take that for granted or look at it in a way to the point where you don't want to go to someone who has the knowledge and skills and insight needed to fully do right by you when it comes to paying your individual income tax returns year after year after year. So just think about it. Cheaper don't make better. This here is not something you want to take lightly because no matter what's said and done, you're responsible for what's on your tax return. You can't say you didn't know because the IRS will say you should have known. That's their go-to phrase. You should have known. Because no matter what's happening, you're responsible for the tax return, especially if you're going to someone who paid, you paid to do it, you signed off on it. It's up to you to have them go through that return with you, or you tell them, hey, I need you to go through this return with me so I can know what's happening. That's how that should go. So when it comes to making more money in this awful career industry of tax preparation, taxation, tax preparation knowledge is going to be the key catalyst for that. And so you can ask yourself, do you want to build a large clientele of say 500 to 1,000 people to make 6, 7 figures, or do you want to specialize in a certain area, position yourself as an expert in that area, and charge premium rates? Your choice is yours. It's no right or wrong. You have to decide which route you want to go after you've got your feet wet, after you made some money, after you've got some clientele, and after you got a better understanding of what's happening in this awesome industry on what's possible for you when it comes to the different types of ways you can generate additional income. Tax preparation is the basic general way. There are other ways. I always give people two options: the do it yourself way or pay someone to do it for your way. No right or wrong again. You decide what's best for you. So my goal and my job is to help you succeed in your journey to start your own tax preparation business for yourself. And so I help people like accounting students, individuals who want to start their own tax preparation firm, or people looking for a career change or looking to add additional income to what they're already doing. to help them succeed by step mentorship, guidance, training support, accountability, and a few other ingredients to go into that pot of what's going to need to be done to help you succeed and make it. Now, you can do it on your own, trial and error. There's no timeline on how long it's going to take you to succeed. It's up to you. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.